Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Fiverr forum. People who are buying or selling any services on Fiverr always have issues related to buying or selling. After having a lot of emails, Fiverr has launched their Fiverr forum platform. Here you can discuss about problems related to buying or selling. Also you can have answers of your questions about Fiverr. Everything is briefly explained here on Fiverr forum. So you only need to search Fiverr forum on Google and you will be redirected to their forum. You can sign in here by your original Fiverr account or you can visit this without sign up. Here you can see news related to Fiverr updates and community rules and guidelines which they update day by day. So my request is all of your buyers and sellers visit this page frequently. If you have any questions related to Fiverr, then you can simply click here Fiverr FAQ and you will be redirected to most frequently asked questions on Fiverr. As you can see, the number one is Fiverr early payout option, rank gig, how affect order cancellation on Fiverr, and the list goes on. You can have answers of your all the questions about Fiverr here on this page. If you have any specific question, then you can use their support contact support forum, or you can search here your question and you will be. Not only this, you can also have introduction about Fiverr if you are new on this platform by just clicking on this new user information. You can simply add yourself in discussion by clicking on their blog posts. Here you can see a lot of discussion is going on about new users. Now come back to main page of Fiverr forum. Here you can see casual conversations, Fiverr success stories about buying and selling also available. Super Bowl, the Fiverr experience. The main benefit of Fiverr forum is that they allow tips for sellers and buyers separately. Here as you can see, tips for sellers are being followed by 475 peoples. Tips for buyers are being followed by 140 peoples. Let's see tips for buyers. As you can see, there is so much tips for buyers. The list goes on and on. Let's highlight some. A tip for getting the best product you can buy. Let's see what they have written in this blog. Communication rather than just straight ordering, messaging the seller first helps a lot. Yes, that's true. Sometimes people have issues when the buyer directly order on their gig. Rather than just straight ordering, messaging the seller first helps a lot. Buyers and sellers conversation is more important to get right products. Yes, that's also true. Now come back. Let's see what is in tips for sellers. What happen when you publish a new gig? A pro seller's guide. Really a pro seller's guide. You can have a pro seller's guide free here on Fiverr forum. So as you can see, there is a lot of articles published on sellers platform. So I recommend both the buyers and sellers to visit the Fiverr forum platform frequently. So that's all for today. Our today topic was Fiverr forum. What is Fiverr forum? How it helps to buyer and sellers. I hope you like it. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like it. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye for today.